Today we will animate this flat gaming logo in Alight motion. And in the same way, you can also animate your gaming logo. And I have downloaded this logo from FreePic for tutorial. And then separated all the elements of the logo in PNG format. And you can do this on the phone as well as on the PC. So let's open Alight motion and animate the logo. First of all, I have added this stroke shape, then used some animation. First transform animation is given. And speed graph of this method. And some effects have been applied. With this luma key effect, the shape that has black fill has been removed. And the same graph has been used, which was used in transform. Then flip layer effect was applied. Now it's time to add another logo element. And in this also animation has to be given in the same way as now animation has been given in stroke shape. Now it's time to add text. This is shape, and this is text. Move animation has been given to give animation to the text letters. And this is the size of the mask. And the feather effect has been applied to this mask shape, so that when the latter comes up, their edges remain smooth. Now in the last, let's add eyes. And only opacity has been used to give animation in it. So in this way you can animate your gaming logo. All you have to do is extract all the elements of your logo, or export the shape or form when creating the logo.